All right. Welcome to Painful Budgeter. This will be for the shop with me. I think I have filmed so many times today. I tried aiming for 3. This is be the 4th video, but I think I've filmed about 6 or 7 times because I was having issues. Okay, I already took Dad's money out, so it should be there good for coffee. I don't think I need that. Groceries, 60. I don't think I need any pet food this week, so it should be good on fur babies. Car, I'm taking this because I need to pay, not the car, but my Visa. So I'll go into RC Willie. Maybe I'll just do some little filming inside of wish list items. Like, I wish I had a bigger house so I can get some pool tables and stuff. I don't need gas. Got that last time. Beauty, I'll hold that off till next week. Fix it. Thank God I don't need anything yet. Mountain Country, don't need. Target, not going to Target yet. I don't think I have anything I need to get at Target. Clothes, maybe this next week. Eating out, no, just ate. Spending, no. Crafts, I'll be going out with a friend later, so that should be good there. Is there something in? I think I put some of the money that I had for my alcohol in another one. I have like a fun money one, and I don't have any money in my fun money but $5, so I think I put it in one of my other thingies. So I might just have to do when I cash one of these like mini ones, I'll just have to put in my fun money, and then I'll probably use one of my cards and then take it back to the bank afterward or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, I'll just do the car and some groceries today. I don't have a lot of groceries. I'm gonna do a quick see what I have in the garden. I need to make some mini egg muffins, some egg bites. I have, I think, some bell peppers, some peppers. So I might grab a couple of the peppers out there. And garden should be getting ready to produce a lot of stuff here soon. So they're starting to get the tomatoes on the plants, but they're not ripe. It's getting some bell peppers, and the other peppers are starting to pop and stuff, so I can use some of them. So I don't think I need peppers. But lettuce, I'm going to go through my cupboard and see what I have and just use what I have at home. So maybe I'll do some clean the cupboard out video or something like that, and cook with me cupboard edition or something. I don't know. We'll see how enthusiastic I am to do some other content. I'm going to try to get some down the thing so I can at least get some extra content on Fridays or something like that. I want to get it like Sundays, Mondays, and then something on Wednesday, and then something on like on a Friday. And then if I have any extra ones, I can add them in. That way I get more stuff coming out. But it all depends on how much time you have and what other plans you got. You know, I know some of you other YouTubers out there. How long did it take you to balance out and when to do all this stuff and how much time you put into it? Anywho, let's get on down the road then. I'll go over to RC Wheelie, see if they have any cool stuff or cool deals. I don't think I'll be buying anything because I don't have the money for that, but I'm going to save up for it. Let's see on the road. Shall we see what we have in the garden that we can use in our dishes? Yeah? Come on. You coming? Or are you just hanging out? Okay. I need to go through here and get rid of the weeds. I have to land tomorrow. I've got some peppers. I've got some sweet peppers and some other type of peppers. I got a lot of tomatoes, but none of them are colored yet. Got some herbs. Need to water them. Got some basil, oregano, some dill, cilantro that's seeding out, lemongrass, good for tea, mint. I need to put some of them so I can make some rabbit tea. Also got some lavender. I'm going to let that seed out and take the seed for the celery. And yeah, I need to get all those grass out of here. Got some raspberry. Mare? Huh? You gonna help me garden tomorrow as I clean up? Yeah? Got some, any tomatoes on here? Nothing yet. And any cherries? Nope, not this year. They're still kind of new. We got hit by gnats and other stuff. We have any zucchini. Oh, we got some stuff over here. And some, ooh, oh, that's some sort of melon. We have, ooh, is that a Hubbard? That's looking nice. And ooh, look at all these tomatoes. It'll be good in another little bit. Yeah, looking good. I'll have to put some fertilizer on her. Oh, got a little tiny baby zucchini. That should be, can you see it there? Yep, it's right there. And then I think I got some over on the other side. And then I've got a boatload of nice looking peaches. They're a little late this season, but another month or so. Yeah, let's see, what do we got in our containers over here? I'm excited, another month we should be getting some stuff. Ooh, these are some nice little banana style peppers. I'll have to find something to use in them. Do we have anything on here? Nope, not yet. Oh, the first tomato. The first tomato. These are the sun ones. These are so good. They're so sweet. Oh God, those are so good. They did really good in this big container. We had them in some smaller ones, so what you've seen on the other side. They I guess they're like the root depth, but they turned into a big old bush. Oh, I'll have to make a salad with them. All right, let's go to the store and see what we can add to these peppers and stuff. Anything on there? Oh, I got a. Oh, this looks like a cucumber. Got a little tiny cucumber growing. So yeah, to get some trellises. That or have them go up onto the fence. All right, go pay off my bill. Hopefully my mic's working this time. Got about $150 left on it. I wouldn't mind getting something like that size. That's a good size. Save some money. Or I can get something like that. Don't know where to put it. The siren calls. I must obey. Coffee! Don't forget to stay hydrated. Cheers. These things look like hairy monsters, but they are so freaking good. They're like the leches. Have you ever had leches? They're similar in flavor. They're $3.99. Haven't tried this brand yet. I'll give it a try. Heavy whipping cream. Well, I need more than that, but now it's good. I get these for my tea. They're so good. Got like 6 left. Tried this for ice cream if you're trying to lose weight, but you love them. I mean, you don't like the nasty stuff that they have out there for the keto style or whatever. These are like about $4 or so, and the small cones are about 100 calories. They're tiny, but as long as you don't binge on them, they're pretty good. And this is another really good one. They're under 100 calories as well. These are for 3 servings, so 1 serving is under. So and those are also pretty good. Like I said, as long as you don't have binge issues and you eat the whole box, then you're fine. If you eat the whole box, Make sure you share them with other people so you only get one. Asparagus. I am out. Some of that. These are really good, just air fried. I love me some like mini cabbages, baby cabbages. These are actually really good. I actually air fry them too sometimes. Or just saute them up. They're yummy. They have my other one. Yes. Oh, totally not my diet, but oh, excuse my language. Poop that. These things don't taste anything like Middle Eastern. These things taste like freaking meatloaf. If you like meatloaf on stick style, they're great. If you want Korean or Middle Eastern style, yeah, not so much. All right, gotten back from, I don't know if I can see it, but oh, let me get some lights. There we go. Gotten back from grocery store, paid $100 on my Visa, and went over to Trader Joe's. I usually try to do that once a month, and also hit the liquor store. It's probably the first time in 3 months that I hit there. And so make sure you do your fetch apps or whatever type of apps you might have. I paid $42 and some odd cents over at Trader Joe's. So I have my handy dandy penny saving challenge right here. And I got me some, I actually used my credit card for that. And it was actually 16 bucks and some odd change. So I'm just going to round it to 16 and actually had $17. So that worked out perfectly. I had to force myself to get the cheaper brands. This is like my favorite cider. It's Angry Orchard. Where you can see it. Yeah. I can't tell where I'm putting on the fitting. And then I just got some New Amsterdam gin. I'm going to make me a gin and tonic. For a cheaper brand, they're actually not too bad. They're more of a citrusy flavored one. I usually like Hendrix. Starts with an H. Big black bottle. That's my favorite one, nice and herby. But so I'm gonna put $16 in the return to bank. And that way I'll put that at the end of the month. I'll take some of this stuff back or use it in one of my things so I don't have the full amount. Instead of $500, I'll use whatever's in the back of that as well. And so I got me some peanut butter cups, dark chocolate, really good. I had like 5 or 6 left over, and they lasted me about a month. As long as I put them in the back cupboard, so they're out of sight, out of mind, and I'm less likely to freaking eat them all. But these are really good. I like the dark chocolate. Doesn't have that overly powerful dark chocolatey flavor, so it's kind of a mix between a dark chocolate and a milk. So it's nice and tolerable, but it's personally, I like dark chocolate, so that's fine as long as it's below 70% or 74%. Usually, it's good for me. And with the peanut butter in it, it sweetens it up just enough to make it really nice and pleasant. But they also have milk chocolate there too. I get that instead of peanut butter Reese's. I got me some mushrooms. I got to use some eggs and stuff. I have some bell peppers and other peppers back there, so I'm going to do a kind of a spicy one. An extra $1. I will throw that into here. I'll fix that later. Got me some rambas. They're kind of like leche. They're really good. And they're like $3 or so they actually weren't bad priced. I'm going to make me a leche or one of those tonic water. Got some heavy whipping cream. Going to make some eggnog with some of my eggs. Got some yogurt, some French vanilla. Oh, I thought I got the plain one. I guess I got the French vanilla. Slightly better on calories. Haven't tried this brand yet, so I'll let you know what it's like. And Angry Orchard, I got some Brussels sprouts. These are good air fried. Some asparagus. I need to throw these in the freezer. They're starting to melt. Some cauliflower ganache. They usually use potatoes in there, but their cauliflower is pretty good. I actually will air fry it and then put a little lemon butter or whatever on it. Some butter sauce. Got some corn tortillas. I'll probably freeze half of these, and then I'm going to make some chicken enchiladas with my rotisserie chicken I got from Costco. and try to do some freezer meals this week. Some bananas for the El Rabatoid and me. She usually gets 1 or 2 of these a week, and we'll split them. And then I got some sweet orange slices. Once a month I go and buy 2 or 3 of these packages. One, they're just really good to taste on, and they're really citrusy and sugary. And so it's really hard to eat them all in one setting. You only do one, or if your mouth starts to burn. But a lot of times I just cut these in half or in quarters, and I throw them in my tea and use them as a sweetener, and it gives it a really nice flavor. And then this is one of my little, I love these ones. Even though I don't eat a lot of bread, I'll have like one of these every other month or so on the mushroom black truffle. Really, really good. And let us make a drink. I'll get my fancy thingy. I'm gonna get some of the leche style, whatever the rambus. I can muddle it. Get some juice in there. Get a little bit of mint and a little bit of the tonic water. Just a little bit there to go. Whoa, hello. Just to get a little liquid in there first. Give me a lime. Put a little lime in your coconut. Shake it all around. Just a little bit of lime. And where's my... Oh, ow. I have a cut on my toe and that lime just landed on it. Ow. Oh, that smarts. Just some gin. This is not made for children. Has that rubbing up alcohol. If you're out of a window cleaner, I'm going to do a little half of one. Gin or vodka makes really good window cleaner. So we got some cheap stuff. Let's get some ice cubes in there. Little tonic water. Woo, hello. And then, of course, you got to get the big fancy, glass straw. And cheers, y'all. See how this, whoa, hello. It helps if you don't get stuff in there. I haven't had a tonic in a while. Gin and tonic. Whew, that's good. All right, well, that was the haul today. Making a mess over here. Hope you all have a good... When's this coming out? Probably next Friday or Thursday. Try to do one of these oddball ones on the weekend. So, you have a good one. I'll see y'all later. And that'll be the end of my vacation. Hopefully by that time, we'll have a new job. Love y'all.